Come out of my beauty shots. Children. I can't even concentrate now. Okay, forget that now. Basically, guys, I made this Corona mask from 3 layers of denim, but the reason I created it was just to encourage people to have fun in this time, create and stay positive. So what I did is I made the mask. You've probably seen loads of videos on how to create a Corona mask on the internet, but what I did is I just made my one from scratch from some denim scraps I had, and I put some glass rhinestone bling on the top and I put some lips on it. So whatever you want to create, if you want to put some dogs, some cats, some anything on there, just create something, design your stuff. Even if you have to cut it out of a pair of scissors, you don't have to have a Cricut or any of the stuff I use. Just get creative and use this time to create, stay positive and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Keep creating.